the first thing you're going to do is just draw any triangle, and I just draw the same triangle each time, and do A, D, F. Put the letters that they give you that the triangle has. And then I put in the information I know, so 54 degrees and 70 degrees. So can we find the measurement of the third side?
Yes.
What is it? I mean the third angle. What is it? The third angle is 56 degrees. Now, we've got to list the sides in order from least to most. What do you think the rule is? So since 54 is the smallest angle in the triangle, then the side opposite 54 is the smallest side. So that's number 1. And then the next biggest angle is 56. So the side opposite 56 is number 2. And the biggest angle is 70. And that side would be number 3. So let's list them in order. DF, comma, AF, comma, AD. Does everybody understand that?
Yeah.
And the way it's going to look in your answer key is DF is less than AF is less than AD. Answer key could have DF or FD. It could have AF or FA, and it could have AD. I always put them in alphabetical order, and I think they do. No, they don't. So just look for them in either order because it's the same side. So DF and FG is the same side. Does everybody understand that?
Mm-hmm.
And don't get tripped up. Really look for that order when you're doing those. The first thing you're going to do, they give you the 3 sides, and you're going to put the information in the picture. So FH is 10. FG is 12. And HG is 9. So what's going to be the smallest angle of this picture?